Being in nature is excellent for your overall health and well-being. You are not only breathing fresh air, but you are absorbing the nurturing, healing energy that nature provides. And even though we are always at one with nature, just being out amongst the trees, the plants, the animals, the water, wherever you may be, whether it's the forest or the ocean, just being in nature reinforces our natural connection to nature. So whether you can do it on a daily basis or once a week or whenever you can, I urge you to get out into nature